It really all began with us changing the way we look at opportunity and problem statements and center the discussion and design around the end user, who can be customers or employees supporting customers to complete a transaction, as well as us leveraging on data to gain insights to provide a personalized experience where possible. So at OCBC, our omni-channel approach is not just availing products and services at all available touchpoints, but really understanding the product and service proposition, deep diving into the end-to-end process, looking at data, and then determining which are the most relevant and meaningful channels for us to be delivering a seamless and one-and-done experience, not just for our customers, but also our employees. So a very good illustration of this omni-channel proposition is the way we've implemented Money Lock in Singapore. So it started off as a regulatory initiative and with very, very challenging deliverables in terms of both scope and timelines. However, after we understood the intent, we then took a step back, put ourselves in the shoes of our customers, spoke to quite a number of them to understand how can we then safeguard their assets with us, at the same time empowering them with the convenience of locking and unlocking funds 24/7. So this is when we came up with the idea of locking funds through 24/7, anytime, anywhere platforms on mobile and internet, and then allowing them to unlock anywhere through our extensive ATM network in Singapore. So this is really how we see omni-channel proposition at OCBC, not just in Singapore, but also in countries where we have presence in. So sustainability is a strategic focus at OCBC, and it is our ambition to be Asia's leading financial services partner for a sustainable future. So with this ambition in mind, in the consumer space, then we started asking ourselves, how can we then make sustainability more meaningful and accessible to everyone? So this is when we conceived the idea of the Sustainability Hub, where we want to make it easy for everybody to interpret and understand what it means by sustainable investing. So the Sustainability Hub is available on our OCBC mobile banking app, as well as on platforms used by our personal financial consultants and RMs, our relationship managers, so that they can then weave in themes around sustainable investing when they are having wealth advisory conversations with our customers. So the Sustainability Hub gives customers an overall ESG rating to their investments with us in the areas of unit trust, robo-invest portfolios, equities, as well as structured products. Through this single rating, they are able to start learning and interpreting the impact of sustainable investments and also the ESG rating of companies that they've invested in. So since we launched the Sustainability Hub in February this year, we have seen very encouraging results. So 1 in 3 customers who visited our Sustainability Hub on the mobile banking app have purchased sustainable unit trust with us. So this is very encouraging results, and we are looking for more data to gain insights and patterns to continue to drive ESG advisory and our wealth advisory conversations with our customers, as well as also educating our employees on how they can use the theme of sustainable investing when they converse with our customers in the areas of investments. So we are still in the discovery stage and very exciting to be able to take baby steps towards ESG investing with our customers.
We launched the OCBC Money Lock back in November 2023, and this is one of the security features that we want to empower our customers to be able to safeguard themselves against digital payment fraud and scam. Now, when we were designing the Money Lock journey, we want to strike a balance between giving customers convenience to continue to do their digital banking, while at the same time ensuring security of their funds. So we carry out extensive customer-led research to make sure that we get in sufficient customer feedback, and through that to design a enhanced customer experience journey, while at the same time not compromising on security. Notably with that, we were the first bank actually to enable the feature of Money Lock in customers' existing account, so that they can lock their funds in their account that they have with us without having to open a new account. In doing so, they are able to continue to enjoy the step-up interest they have, for example, like 360 account. In addition to that, we were also the first bank to avail unlocking their funds through the convenience of our ATM network 24/7. Now, what this means is that they do not need to go down to our branches during banking hours just to unlock the funds. So it's very convenient for our customers. Of course, Money Lock is just one of the feature, or in fact one of the main measure that we have as part of our larger safety and security campaign, as you rightly pointed out, what we call Be a Pro Against Con with OCBC. Within this campaign, we have invested quite a fair bit of resources as well as the measures to empower our customers to be able to protect themselves against fraud and scam. Along with this campaign, we constantly measure customers' level of awareness against fraud and scam, their adoption of our various securities measure, as well as whether these measures remains to be effective in the current space of how fraud and scam is evolving over time. I am pleased to share that this campaign has achieved quite a significant amount of effectiveness in protecting our customers. And in doing so, we have also recognized that customer education is a very important component of this campaign. So we also have been coming up with a lot of anti-scam materials to educate our customers. And in fact, over the last 1.5 years, we have also been proactively reaching out to the elderly. As we all know, in a very cashless society we are in right now, it's important to educate our elderlies on the safety use of digital banking and be very much aware what is the latest fraud and scam. So all these are coming together to equip our customer with the level of right level of knowledge on how to use the digital payment in a safe way, and therefore empowering them in using the features we have made available to them to protect themselves. Actually, it's not just the customer. In fact, along with this campaign, we also make sure that we instill into the mindset of our people to make sure that whenever they launch a new product and services, they also take care of making sure security features against fraud and scam are being embedded. For example, recently we launched the OCBC My Own Account, which is for children between age 7 to 15 years old, to empower them and to enable them to be able to manage their own funds through the digital banking app of ours. Now, in doing so, right, we also make sure that we enhance the financial literacy of these children in 3 aspects: ability to save, the knowledge to spend, but more importantly, how to use digital banking safely. And yes, we have also embedded Money Lock into the My Own Account feature for our children.